Hello lovely people, welcome to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways I make my chicken, how I marinate it, the ingredients I use, and how I cook my chicken. So please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe on the red button below, and also like if you are liking what is going on, and leave a comment below as well. And I hope you also try these recipes as well. So see you. Our ingredients for our spicy chicken marinade is a clove of garlic, a handful of pepper. I love pepper. If you don't like pepper, please reduce it. And then our chicken pieces. I have drumsticks as well as other parts here. And of course, our salt. Don't forget salt. Now, let's blend our garlic and then the pepper. At this point, we'll add our salt to our marinade. Please taste your salt and then stir it. So, oko baby na so for ka adie we sha. I see what you was saying. Best 1,000 times. Now we pour our marinade into our drumsticks. Now make sure that the marinade gets all over the drumsticks. You can put it down or put it in the fridge for 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight, but make sure there's enough salt in it. Okay, we'll get back after it is done. After 2 hours, we are going to fry our chicken, and we've warmed our oil. Yes, you cook each side for about 2 minutes and 10. Because we did not boil this before or steam this before frying, it has to cook very well. So check, your temperature might be different from my temperature, so you should be checking. Otherwise, as I've always been saying, you come and meet kanzo and then eat it like that. The chicken is ready. Please do not overcook your chicken too much. So you put it on a paper towel to drain your oil. Very good. It's golden brown. This is the first part of our spicy chicken. So we are going to do our next spicy chicken. Now this is going to make the second part of the spicy chicken. 2 eggs. I have 1 teaspoon of pepper, dry pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt, then flour, any type of flour you have, then the rest of the chicken, the spicy chicken. With my pepper, the 2 types of pepper, and then the salt, I'm going to put everything in the flour and then stir everything together. The smell alone is seriously, I don't know how to describe it. What's the word I should use to describe it? Leave it in the comment below. Now, we are going to dip our chicken in this. I'm not going to use my hands. Please, if you use your hands, make sure that you wash it right after. Have you seen? All covered. And then I'll dip it in the egg. If you like, you can put salt in the egg. I'm not putting salt in mine because I've already put salt in the flour. Then I'll dip it back into the flour and I'll cover it all up with the flour mix. Now I'll put it here. To fry this twice. The first step, you heat the oil just a little bit, and then we are going to put the chicken inside. Make sure it doesn't overcook. Cook it for a minute under low temperature, then remove it for a while. And also, after it has warmed up again, you put the chicken inside the oil again. Now it's going to give you that crispy KFC chicken you've been craving for. That is the trick. let's go. This is the first frying. It goes in about 120 degrees Celsius if you have a thermometer to check it out. So you do not overcook this, okay? Don't overcook this. Let's fry this for about 2 minutes or a minute. The oil has been heating for about a minute more. We're going to put it in and then fry. Don't let it burn. You can use any fryer you have. Please turn it around when your oil does not cover the whole chicken. We've been frying this side by side for about 4 minutes in total. So when you see this color, then it is ready to be out of the fryer. Yay! Have you seen? Guys, I present to you the first spicy chicken with all natural ingredients. 2 ingredients, the garlic and then the pepper, hot pepper. Okay, so we are going to taste this and see how good it is, okay? So try yours at home and see if it is this good. Well, you can't really know whether this one is good, but use the same approach as I've taught you. Let's try this one and see. Okay, everything is well cooked up. Let's see. Guys, you see? Food. Chicken. Dinner the same. Guys, let's go to the next one. I don't finish this one. Okay. Let me finish this one. It's nice. Okay, the second one is the one that looks like KFC. But as I said, we are using all natural ingredients. Garlic and pepper. That's all we are going to use. Garlic and pepper. And with the coating, as I've taught you, it's still pepper and then flour. So let's taste this one and see. Okay. First of all, let me put this one down. Now, okay. Can you hear it? It's well cooked. I'm very bad at eating in public. You can see everything in my mouth. So, guys, please try this. If you like the channel, please subscribe, okay? A lady does not talk while she's eating. I'm not a lady. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Food Crunch with Phyllis. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done it yet, kindly subscribe, okay? And then if you like what I've been doing, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, please. And let them come and also watch me anyway. So thanks to you guys, and a big thank you to M Family Photography, who have decided to photograph me. You see, there's a change in my photography nowadays. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love you all. Okay guys, on our next episode, next week Friday, exactly at 4 p.m. Ghana time, I'm going to upload a new video. And this video is about marinade as well. And it's going to be fish this time. So, see ya.